I get it right back. She put it all on me. I couldn't fight that. She love when I put on it when it's tied back. You know it's hard to get up out that I can sidetrack. Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who the part of your.
Okay guys, so we're at Arizona. We're in Arizona. And right now we are going to
the zoo. I'll give you the OC Jones.
Hi. Hi. Oh, wait, y'all. It's not that deep. Can you take my picture? Am I cute? Yeah. It's a scarf. I tried to scarf around here. It's so cool.
I told you
The map.
like that.
Jelly bean. Oh, nice.
We're on the
Ooh,
vlog.
this is nice.
Why click top right?
And do it long ways like a phone, yeah.
Boom. Solemnly sound. Bang. Lights, camera, action. Bang. One more time.
Bang.
Bang.
Perfect.
Thank you.
That's so.
Look at that. Okay. Can you see it? Turtles too.
Like, they're real, their legs don't look real.
They look like they could break easily, right? I tried to tap on it. Wait, we do touch?
Gotta be a savage.
It doesn't feel like nothing.
No. You want to touch it?
Go. You in camera. It's living. Yeah. There's nothing there.
It's like, I don't know how to explain it. Oh, Patrick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You're supposed to touch the star for where? You're supposed to touch him? He's too deep down. He's at the bottom. I gotta go back. There's one right now.
Can't be scared to touch Patrick.
You touched it?
Touch
You say you think?
Patrick's my good man.
What's the call? Why is it hard?
You thought Patrick was soft?
See it?
Nah, he was slimy.
Hanging over there some more.
He was slimy.
Is he sleep?
What if he jumped?
What sound
Oh,
did
it's
they make?
another one over there.
Did they make like?
Oh, he packing on that.
Oh, wait, we got action
Why
here.
is he biting his
No, they're huge.
Oh yeah, they trolling.
Are those whiskers?
They out there.
And they weaving each other. They got agility and all that. Like,
Mrs. Puff? Mrs. Puff.
spike up. Spike up.
You see me? Yeah, you see me? Yeah, wait. Oh.
Hey, yeah, you don't see this, bro. I'm rage baiting, man.
Did we just walk in a circle? Do it.
I did it 3 times.
You gotta do it in the water.
This is a game.
He smacked me with his little fin.
Yay, hi. 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 Hi.
They slimy. They don't even play on.
Yeah, you feel me?
But you know, hyenas don't attack people without a pack. They don't do nothing by themselves.
Yeah, his
don't.
friend just passed
Right.
away. There's a sign.
No, I think
Yeah,
that-
right. They don't do shit by themselves.
No, they don't. They jump. You
You hurt his feelings, definitely.
My bad, Mr. Hyena.
He about to lay down.
He walk evil though, fool. Like look at that.
Sad.
Yeah, like he's about to.
Literally.
He look like he's about
He might be thirsty.
We're in the pool. Okay, so we're currently about to go to brunch. It's like a little lit out here. I don't know. Jenny from the back. Hi. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Y'all want a picture?
Come on. Take a picture.
Well, you're covering Lee's face. 3, 2, 1. I got it. So far, so good. It's like a DJ in here. I know y'all hear the music. Say hi to the vlog.
And it's thick.
Y'all want to say hi to the vlog? Okay, our food is finally here. It's me and Big Food. Banana split French toast. Chicken and waffles.